Cinnamon. Enhance your health by increasing cinnamon. Spice up your health with sugar control. Cinnamon isn't just an aromatic and delicious spice that enhances the flavor of our food, it also has many health advantages. One of the biggest advantages of cinnamon is its capacity to regulate the levels of blood sugar. The natural remedy is used throughout the ages in traditional medical methods, and more recent research has confirmed the effectiveness of cinnamon in controlling blood sugar levels and increasing overall health. What exactly is cinnamon aid to control blood sugar levels? It is a source of bioactive compounds which mimic the actions of insulin, which is the hormone that regulates sugar levels. The compounds aid in improving the sensitivity of insulin, which means your body is able to utilize insulin in a more efficient way in metabolizing glucose. Through increasing insulin sensitivity, cinnamon helps to prevent fluctuations or spikes in blood sugar levels. This makes the perfect supplement for people suffering from the condition of insulin resistance or diabetes. Numerous studies have demonstrated cinnamon's positive effect in controlling blood sugar. A study that was published within the Journal of the American Board of Family Medicine researchers discovered that taking cinnamon extract for 3 months decreased blood sugar levels in the fasting phase for people suffering from type 2 diabetes. A different study, conducted by researchers at the University of California, Davis, found that cinnamon extract can reduce insulin resistance among women suffering from polycystic ovarian syndrome, which is a disorder that's often linked with high insulin levels and elevated blood sugar levels. In addition to its effect in controlling blood sugar levels, it also has additional health advantages. It's a great source of antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress within the body. It is a great instrument for fighting chronic illnesses like heart disease, as well as certain cancer types. Additionally, cinnamon is known to possess antimicrobial qualities, which help combat infections and maintain an immune system that is healthy. The addition of cinnamon to your daily routine can be simple and fun. It is possible to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in your coffee in the morning or sprinkle it over the top of yogurt or oatmeal. It can also be utilized to bake, providing warmth and a comforting taste to cookies, cakes, as well as bread. Be sure to select high-quality cinnamon sticks or powder for the best advantages for your health, since some lower-quality products may mix with other ingredients or have lesser active ingredients. It is important to remember that although cinnamon is helpful in controlling blood sugar, but it's not a panacea. It is best used in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle, which includes regularly exercising, balanced diet, and the right medication when needed. Always speak with your health doctor before making major modifications to your food regimen or introducing any new supplements. The conclusion is that cinnamon isn't just a delicious spice, but it is also an effective instrument for controlling blood sugar. The bioactive components in it can increase the sensitivity of insulin, assisting to control blood sugar levels and preventing fluctuations. In addition, it has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, which makes it an excellent supplement to your healthy life. Incorporating the spice into your schedule, you will improve your well-being and reap the many advantages it can bring. Therefore, go ahead and add some cinnamon to your diet and enjoy the taste as you take care of your blood sugar levels.